Say hi.
Yeah, gotta have the spare on the back, you know? Yeah. Fuck off roads on 35s, you know, it's so good.
We actually have to go pick him up real quick.
Wow.
Off, but the wife said no.
Probably gonna sit just like that. Goofy he's gonna look. What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis and I'm over here at Just Better Automotive with Parker. He kindly let me work on the Bronco on the weekend, so shout out to Just Better Automotive. I'll give you a little rundown on a shop later in this video, but we got the Bronco Sasquatch coilovers installed. So right now we got the fronts right here. It's the Bilstein 2.0 Haas shocks, so nothing fancy for the wife's Big Bend because we didn't get the Sasquatch package, but we got the Sasquatch coilovers up in the front. And shout out to Foutz Motorsports. He hooked it up with these coilovers right here and couldn't be happier. So we're gonna put it down on the ground and kind of see how goofy it looks without the wheels, because I have not got tires yet. We got the wheels, come check out the wheels. So we got some Method 305, 17 by 8.5, machined aluminum with black ring. What do you think?
That's good.
They look good. I think they look pretty sick. This is what the wife wanted, so she got what she wanted, and they're pretty fucking badass. And we had our local detailer put some ceramic coat them, and now we barely have to wash them. So damn, look at those things.
There you go.
Oh. Check that shit out. That's gonna look good.
Yeah, they stick out far.
I need the Sasquatch flares, so eventually when I go to deviate, I'm gonna get some Sasquatch flares, because right now it's looking a little poked out, especially we're doing 35 12.5 tires, so that's gonna look sick. She got some RTs for that. No mud tires because she still wants to be able to get some decent gas mileage, but that's the front with the wheels on it. They're gonna look sick, let's go back to the rear. The rear, nothing really special, same thing. Sasquatch 2.0 Haas shocks. The Bilsteins, they have this cool little reservoir guard, which is pretty fucking sick. And shout out to Foutz again for hooking it up with their little 1-inch spacer lift in the rear and the front. And yeah, that's it right here. We're gonna put the wheels on it, and then we're gonna check it out once it's looking all goofy. But right now we have the OEM wheels right here, and it just looks a little dorky, but let's throw the wheels on and check how it looks. A little bit. Damn, look at that thing, dude. It honestly looks not bad. Not bad. It's a big ass lift though.
What?
It's a big ass lift. I mean, yeah, they're gonna settle a little bit, but look at those fender gaps right there.
The toe?
I'm gonna need some fucking new upper control arms with that fucking
No, you
angle
need
there.
an alignment.
Yeah, I got alignment set up for tomorrow. Now it actually feels like a Bronco.
It's so much taller now.
Dude, 37s? I already ordered my 35, so that ain't gonna happen. God damn.
They ain't ordered yet.
What?
But I got ordered on Monday.
Dude. All right, everybody, it's been a long day out here. Shout out to Parker at Just Better. Definitely check him out. But on Monday, we are going to get the wheels and tires installed. So I'll catch you guys back up on Monday, and we'll get the wheels and tires on. They're gonna look sick.
Okay. What do you think? Whoa, there we go.
There we go.
Hey, what do you think?
Dude, fucking 35s.
Oh, yeah.
We'll go in depth a little bit later about the wheel and tire situation, but I think the wife's gonna be stoked. We're gonna get some reaction shots of the whole setup when we get home. It's really hot out here. We're gonna load the OEM wheels in the back and talk to you guys in a bit. But what do you guys think? All right, everybody, we just got back from Just Better Automotive out there in Tempe. I want to give a big shout out to those guys and Parker for really just taking care of me. They always do great work. So if you guys are in the market for any type of Bronco, Colorado, Tacoma, Toyota, any type of suspension install, anything that you want done to your rig, Parker can normally get you in there real quick. Not like all those other shops that make you wait months and months and months, weeks and weeks and weeks to get, like, you know, upper control arms installed or something like that. He'll get you in real quick, get it done right, and you won't have to be waiting on all that stuff. And he's a good guy, so definitely check out Just Better Automotive. But right now we are on the way home. We about 20 minutes away from home, and we get to show Kate and unveil the new truck. Well, you know, wheels and tires and lift and everything like that. So I'm excited to see her reaction. She's gonna be so stoked, and it looks really good. So once we get home, I'll get a reaction, and then I'll show you guys what type of wheels and tires we got. Tires, we got a little bit of a different tire, so I'm excited. I did say that we're gonna get rough trains, so RTs. We were gonna get RTs for our car, but we changed our mind. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be sweet. I'm excited to see her reaction. Bronco's turning out so good. So excited. I wish I had lockers though, but yeah, it's fine. We're not gonna do anything crazy, but it looks good. Talk to you guys in a bit. What? Oh shit! What do you think? What do you think?
I love it. What?
What? Yeah, you need different lug nuts too, because they don't match.
Wow.
Yeah. What do you think?
I'm speechless.
You're speechless?
I'm speechless.
Speechless?
Having the sun up there.
Yeah, you left the garage door open this whole time.
No, I just came out.
Come check out the back shot. The back shot. Hold on.
Oh my god.
Looks good. You like it?
I love it. I'm speechless.
All right, I'm gonna go get a beer, and then we're gonna talk about what we got here. A towel here for you.
Good.
So.
I make him put a towel down.
Dirty pants on your cloth seats.
Stinky.
I need some handles up here. Ooh. Getting 15.5 miles per gallon.
Wow. Oh. Not in the new house. Just barely missed it. Wow, look at that.
How am I gonna get out of here?
Careful, careful. Don't scratch the paint. Oh my god.
Oh, Jesus.
Wanna get your feet dangling there?
Mine are so tall over yours. All right, everybody, we got the Bronco all done. Kate's super excited, and we've been driving it around for like a day, and drives pretty good with the big wheels and tires. She's getting about 15 miles per gallon so far with these tires and suspension and lifts and everything. So come check this shit out, guys. So right now we have some Method 305s with the machined face and black lip. And then these tires, it's an interesting choice. There's some Z-Tex MT1000s. They look pretty sick, and
Gotta get rid of that though.
Yeah, she wants to get rid of the Method caps right there, get some new flush caps, because that'll be her first mod that she pays for, right? Yeah. First mod. Yeah. And then we got the Z-Tech MT1000s. So far they've been a pretty good tire. Parker got them really cheap, so for all 5, it's not a bad deal. And then here's the rear corner right there. Definitely could have fit 37s if we really wanted to, but we're gonna keep the MPG as best as possible. And yeah, it's looking sick. Kate's super excited, and it drives pretty nice with those Bilsteins and the FMI kit on it, I would have to say. And I'm honestly jealous about this wheel and tire setup, because this is what I wanted on my black Z71, is black with machined aluminum wheels, but whatever. Can't really do machine aluminum now that I have silver. It just wouldn't look as good, but so far it's looking fucking sick. So far it's looking good. Kate loves it, and we got some bumpers coming for this thing, front and rear bumpers, and it's gonna look even better. So like I said, guys, make sure to check out Just Better Automotive out there in Tempe, Arizona. Parker and the Just Better crew do awesome work. They're good dudes. They'll get you in there real quick. And shout out to FMI, Foutz Motorsports, for hooking me up with the Sasquatch Haas 2.0s and the lift kit. So we're super excited, super grateful for everybody that's helped us put this thing together, because Kate's super stoked on it. And damn, look at that thing. It looks good. I'm honestly jealous, but it doesn't have lockers, so I'm not that jealous. But we're gonna definitely be doing some off-roading this thing. We got some little step sliders coming for it. Just pretty tall for Kate to get to the soft top, and she loves the soft top. Even though it's 110 degrees, she's still running the soft top. She loves it so much. So that's about it for this week's video, guys. I appreciate you. Make sure to tune in next week. Bumpers and suspension coming on the ZR2, and then we're gonna go out wheeling, doing some hard trails finally, because now I actually can. So appreciate it. Love you guys. Bye.